Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use FileZilla to connect to the server. So FileZilla is one open source software that is being used to manage your files in the server. You can transfer files from your computer to the server and manage it very easily using this software. So just go to this website and download the FileZilla client from here. I have already downloaded FileZilla and installed in my machine. So now I'll show how to use it. So if you are off campus, then you install the ISO VPN and connect to the VPN to connect to the server. So let's connect to the VPN first. Use your net ID and password to connect to ISO VPN. So let's open FileZilla first. This one is the interface of FileZilla. The first you can see the hostname, username, password and port here, and there are two different portions of FileZilla. This is the local directory and this is the server directory. When you will connect to the server, the directory listing of your server will be showed here and you can transfer files from here to here very easily. So let's connect to the server first. Put your hostname. So before putting the address of your server, you need to put the protocol, so that is SFTP. Then I will type my server address. The username is your net ID. This is your net ID password. The port number should be empty. Now press quick connect to connect to the server. It is asking to confirm the fingerprint of the server. Just press OK to connect. Now here the status of the server is showed. You can see the directory listing of your username is successful. At the right hand side you can see the directory listing of your server. If you press here, that is your root directory. Inside your root, these are the subdirectories. So you can press any subdirectory and the files and other subdirectories of that directory is listed here. So one important subdirectory is var. So inside var, and there is www. Inside www you can see HTML. So you can put one index.html file inside this directory to show the web page of your server in browser. And suppose you want to transfer one file from your documents to the server. So let's go to the documents of your computer. So this is basically your local machine. So let's go to the documents directory. Files of your documents are showed here. You can just drag and drop the files from here to your server. I'm dragging and dropping the file here. So it will take some time and then you can see the file is being uploaded. So this is how you can transfer your files here. Then you can also download the files from your server to your local machine. You can edit or rename your files. So this is basically how you manage your files in the server. So when you are done, you can finish the connection by pressing here. So now I am disconnected from the server. So this is how you use the FileZilla software to connect to the server and manage your files. Thank you.